So in part 1 video I showed you guys how I met the giveaway winner. We sat, discussed, and she is Muna Khatras and she showed me all of the dresses she brought. So we chose striped shirt to go with this Refashion and we sat together and discussed a design as well. So this video is about showing the process how I transformed this shirt into a dress that I have already shown on the intro. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I laid the shirt flat, buttoned it up, folded in half and cut, measuring 18 inches from the bottom of the shirt and cut it leaving seam allowance. Then I took the upper part of the shirt and detached the collar and sleeves from the shirt. Then I took both of the sleeves and detached the cuff from the sleeves. One sleeve had a big hole, so I first closed it by giving it a straight stitch. Then I closed the sleeves by stitching the armhole closed. Then I took the sleeves and twisted it on the body form to make the upper bodice, which I got inspired by one of my own transformation. Then I took the remaining part of the shirt to make the back part of the bodice. I just simply draped the shirt part as it is and cut it into a rectangle piece to attach it on the front bodice. I'm just gonna cut this back part into a rectangle piece because I'm gonna attach bobbin elastic to the back, so I'm just not gonna give any shape to the back. Then I took the back piece, folded in half and marked points measuring 1 inches far from each other. The reason why I am marking is I'm gonna add a bobbin elastic. So I have already shown you guys how to add bobbin elastic in my previous tutorial. If you don't know how to add bobbin elastic, then go and watch this tutorial. The link is on the description. I interlocked all the raw edges and folded the upper part in half to finish the hem and added the bobbin elastic. I wanted to make this dress a free size, so I thought the fabric wasn't quite enough to fit 1 to 2 sizes larger than the person wearing this, so I added the remaining fabric to the sides like this. I took the remaining scrap fabric, cut it into a neat rectangle to add it to the sides. Then I took the twisted bodice and trimmed it to adjust the curve and interlock the sides. Then I took the twisted bodice and attached it to the fabric just by top stitching the sides of the twisted bodice over the fabric. Then I joined the side to the back and did it on the another side of the bodice as well. So that's how the bodice looks like. Now I'm gonna find the center back of the bodice and center back of the skirt and attach it together. Pin it together up to the point where the fabric is joined to the twisted bodice, only up to the point we're gonna attach this skirt. That's how it looks like after stitching. So for the front part of the dress, I'm just gonna fold the overall dress in half and see where the center front of the bodice meets the skirt and mark it. So after finding the center front of the skirt, I have 2 to 3 inches left, which I can give a gather stitch and attach it. So I'm just gonna mark 4 inches far from the center front and add gathers of 3 inches to the point. Then I took the remaining cuff from the sleeves and added it as belt to the front part of the skirt. So that's how it looks like. We are almost done. I thought the front part of the bodice was too much revealing, so I decided to close it a bit at the bottom and the upper part of the bodice. I had no scrap fabrics left from the shirt, so I decided to add a golden strap, matching strap to the stripes of the shirt, and added it like this. And we're done with the transformation.
So guys, finally मैले चाहिँ एउटा सब्स्क्राइबर भिडियो गरे. So she is the winner of my previous giveaways जुन चाहिँ मैले अस्तिदेखि भनिरहेको थिएँ. So I have transformed her shirt into this dress which you guys have already seen. किन तल गएको आफ्नो माथि उतै हिल्स लाएर उसको टाउको काटिरहेछ के एकछिन. So कस्तो लाग्यो त तिम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स आजको?
एकदम डिफरेन्ट. स्कर्टदेखि लिएर सबै एउटा सर्टबाट हो, जस्ट एउटा सर्टबाट.
सो अब आउँदो गिभअवेको पार्टिसिपेन्ट्सहरूले के भन्न चाहनुहुन्छ त? के भन्न चाहन्छु?
फेरि म नै होस् विनर, अरु कुनै नहोस्.
So yeah guys, उसको शर्ट फाइनली एउटा सब्स्क्राइबर भिडियो गरियो. So I have transformed her shirt into a twisted kind of dress, stripe dress नै बनाएको छ. अनि मैले उसलाई आज चाहिँ I have given her a semi formal looks. So I'll again do a subscriber video, giveaway video. म अझै गर्दै नै जान्छु. अनि अब भ्यायो भने every once in a month चाहिँ म गर्छु. So make sure you participate as well. किन भन्दा अस्तिको पार्टिसिपेसनमा चाहिँ उसले जित्यो. So अब फेरि म नयाँ अनाउन्समेन्ट गर्छु कहिलेबाट पार्टिसिपेट गर्ने भनेर. So guys, मेरो नेक्स्ट गिभअवे चाहिँ अब नेक्स्ट मन्थ नेक्स्ट गिभअवे को विनर चाहिँ नेक्स्ट मन्थ चुज हुन्छ. सो यु क्यान पार्टिसिपेट अन नेक्स्ट कमिङ गिभअवे. सो इफ यु वान्ट टु पार्टिसिपेट एन्ड विन गिभअवे लाइक मनसा सरी मुना हो तिम्रो नाम? मनसा हो कि
मुन्स त्यो अलिकति एसेन लाग्दैन.
Okay guys, if you also wanna win and you refashion your dress with me for free like I have done her, then you can participate on giveaway, and giveaway starts from this video. So अब कसरी participate गर्ने भन्दा you can follow me on Instagram and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you have to comment subscribed भनेर चाहिँ नि मेरो कुनै पनि भिडियोमा you have to comment जस नयाँ जुनसुकै रिसेन्ट भिडियोमा चाहिँ नि comment subscribed, and then Instagram मा गएर पनि तपाईले हाई भनेर एउटा कमेन्ट छोड्नु पर्ने हुन्छ. सो त्यसरी चाहिँ नि तपाईको पार्टिसिपेसन इन हुन्छ. सो मैले चाहिँ यो तपाईहरुको पार्टिसिपेसन को अब डेडलाइन भनौं के भनौं, I'll give you a week. सो एक हप्तासम्म चाहिँ नि तपाईहरुको पार्टिसिपेसन गरिदै जान्छ and then I'll finally choose another lucky winner for giveaway, and अर्को भिडियो पनि म नेक्स्ट मन्थ राख्ने छु. सो फ्रम नाउ अन अब चाहिँ नि गिभअवे भिडियोहरु आउँदै नै गर्छ. सो आम सो एक्साइटेड. मलाई एकदम खुसी लाग्यो जस नयाँ मान्छेलाई ल्याएर पनि मेरो च्यानलमा राखियो, and then just I got to refashion dresses for new people like I did for her. So I really want to refashion dresses for you guys as well. So make sure you take part.
Okay, तपाईहरु पनि पार्टिसिपेट गर्नु अनि जित्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ. जितेपछि दिदीले आफै मेसेज पनि गर्नुहुन्छ अनि आफूले केही गर्नु पर्दैन. अनि त्यसपछि दिदीले बोलाउनुहुन्छ अनि सी सो स्वीट हुन्छ नि. यहाँ आएपछि पनि सी वाज लाइक आफ्नै घर हो, जे गरे पनि हुन्छ, जता बसे पनि हुन्छ. अनि अरु त अब कस्तो हुन्छ नि, कस्तो रुड काइन्डको हुन्छ नि. सी वाज सो स्वीट. अनि सी मेकओभर मी कहिले रेड लिपस्टिक नलाएको दिदीले लगाइदिनु भयो. अब के भन्नु.
So yeah, if you want makeover for yourself as well, then make sure you participate. So yeah, त्यति भन्दै आजको गिभअवे चाहिँ यही एन्ड गर्न चाहन्छु. I had a lot of fun doing refashion for her, and I hope म अझै पनि फन ले बति गयो क्या Okay, by the way, she's also a YouTuber. Usko pani आफ्नै channel छ and she's a vlogger. Itini vlogger लाग्छ नि. Vlogger. Just she's a new starter and we always support new starters. मलाई पनि सुरुमा गाह्रो भयो थियो हैन. So we have to support new starters. So she posts videos for skincare and she vlogs as well. So make sure you follow her as well and subscribe to her channel. So usko link चाहिँ म तल description मा राख्छु and go and check out her channel as well. But yeah. So I'll see you guys next time with a very new refashion again. So next week say I might come up with another video like mukbang or workout video, and then after a month I'll again come up with a giveaway video like I have done for her. So yeah, त्यति भन्दै अब टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु. Bye, see you next time.
Bye guys.